everyone, I'm here from the Fireplace Club to give you some tips. It might be helpful if you have any plan to add a new gas fireplace in your house. First of all, make sure a store is the authorized dealer and they carry most reliable brand in the market. Then the salesperson has to be a knowledgeable person. They can give you the right information, enough technical information, then you can get the right product. And the installer and the technician has to be certified gas licensed person, and make sure they are not the regular gas license, they are expert in the gas fireplace, installation of the gas fireplace. Then the price, finally price, very important item. But in Fireplace Club, we are an authorized dealer for more than 20 brands. Please come and visit our showroom. We are located on 94 Doncaster, Thornhill, Ontario.